What is going on, y'all? We are here today in the Mississippi Hill Country of Iowa. We are just across the border from Wisconsin here at Bloody Run, one of my all-time favorites. We're doing some darn fishing. Awesome spring session, catching some awesome fish. Really fun one, so yeah, stick with and enjoy. Good morning from Bloody Run. We are here today breaking our skunk with a really awesome holdover rainbow. Really great colors. I mean, he is fins looking good. As far as things go, that's a nice way to start the morning. Now I'm gonna let him go real quick and show you what I got him on. Fantastic, and he's off. So as far as holdover rainbows go, like I said, that is a really nice one. Usually the stocked fish in here don't make it very far. I'm up quite a ways. I think I passed 3 bridges on my walk. So we're up a little higher. I think this is the special fly zone or special regulation zone where they don't really allow you to use bait. So a lot of fish end up surviving up here, and that was a premier example of it. That was a nice fish. But the stocking season has kind of started. It's about April to October is when the Iowa DNR just starts throwing fish in here. So hopefully we can get into some more wild browns as we move up. And yeah, real quick, I'll show you what I got them on. I'm trying to approach this this session a bit differently. I've got a really big streamer rig that I've been throwing. I threw it a couple of times in a couple of these holes to kind of start things off, and it didn't really work out. So I've been cleaning things up with a double nymph rod. And that guy went off on the, you know it, if you've been here, it's the mini meat whistle. Gotta give it love. And then we've got a pretty big stonefly, yellow stonefly, all under a thick Ashima, a really just thick, big, chubby Chernobyl. Kind of doing a 1-2 punch again, starting big with the streamer, and then moving to clean up with the nymph rod. So that was fun. Let's get another one. I guess it's Rainbow Day on Bloody Run. Man, where them browns at, darn it? So it has been a little while since our last fish. I've really been devoting a lot of time to the streamer game, so I've been racking up big old 0. So haven't really been nymphing too much, but you know, this is part of the game, and it looks like this is another holdover rainbow. Really pretty. Ooh. But yeah, Bloody Run's a bit different watershed here in the springtime. Early summer, really. We're almost towards summer. But yeah, a little soccer guy, but fish is a fish. Let's let him go. It is rounding off at about 9:05. I got here at like 6:30, so 2 fish for, you know, almost 3 hours of fishing isn't the best, but we're gonna try and break that ratio. I might stick a little less on the streamer and stick more towards the nymph to kind of salvage this day as the sun comes up. We're in for a warm one, I think. Dogging little brown, that's what we're looking for, y'all. Let's freaking go. So it is right at 9:30 right now, and at about 9:29, I figured someone had come in and caught all the browns here at Bloody Run. But man, did that mamma jamma want that whole stonefly. Look at that. That is a fantastic bruising brown. It's got some great shoulders on it. Just a gosh darn it, looking like a great fish. That is what we're freaking talking about. He yomp that sucker down so good. All right, stonefly pops right out. Gonna give you one more drippy look at him there. Fantastic brown. Let's get him back in the water. That was literally my first cast into this run, and he was sitting so close to the top. I thought I hit bottom, you know, just kind of twitching it away, and I got resistance, and I set the hook, and he was there. Whew. That makes me feel a whole lot better about today. That is very nice. Very, very nice. Let's get in there again and see if there's any more. There we go. There we go, there it is. Oh, rat! Son of a gun, he popped right off. Great round. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Yes! Let's go, y'all. Oh, is he dark? Gosh darn it. All right, I'm gonna try and give you a quick look at him. He's so nice, man. Dark, dark fish. Really dark brown, good looking fish. And he just, right up under the rock too. Just bam, just stuck it in there and he got it good. Give you another quick look at him. That's a fantastic fish. That is just so nice. Finally finding some bloody run brown trout, some BTs, baby. I'm gonna get him back in the water and see him swim. That one wasted zero time. He was spunked up, ready to go. Nice, this is fun. This is, we're getting there. We're getting on our browns, that's what we wanted. See that cheeky guy in there? Look at that massive snapping turtle. Holy cow. That thing's a dinosaur. What are you doing? Are you eating all the trout? You crazy son of a gun. Where'd you come from, Mississippi? Damn. Here is a good spot for a little mid-morning update. Total of 4 fish and 2 browns, 2 rainbows. That one rainbow was really nice and those last 2 browns were phenomenal. So really stoked on that. I'm gonna lean more towards the nymph bite just because it's been working more than the streamer bite. But who knows? Bloody Run always has always seems to have a trick up her sleeve. So maybe that'll come in handy as we keep moving up. But I'm thinking as the sun continues to rise and the water's really clear right now, so I gotta be real sneaky if I wanna get on these guys. But yeah, hopefully that doesn't affect me too much and we can keep on hammering them. Let's get back at it. There we go. That's a fantastic little fish. He demolished the meat whistle on one of the whole snack. I'm gonna put him back real quick. That is exactly what we want. You know, it's starting to get a little bit later in the day, but they're still chomping down. This is actually the farthest I've ever been up in Bloody Run. I think my public land's ending soon. I don't know exactly. I haven't seen any private property signs yet, so I think I'm still in the clear. Whew. Keep getting in there. The bigger ones in there look like rainbows, but this little sneaky brown came out and smacked it. What the heck is he doing? Right there, there's that copper john I was talking about. A little bit smaller, subtle. We'll get him unhooked and, oh, he just unhooked himself. And we'll get him back in the water. Whew, so as usual, I have way overextended myself and I've got a lot of walking to do. I think I've done a decent job. I think I'm gonna head back to the truck and yeah, wrap this day up. I'll see you there. I don't remember that hike being so hard. We're wrapping up the session here on Bloody Run. You know, the name of the game today was Nymphing, meat whistle. That was the mainstay. Really, we got a lot of our eats on the meat whistle, sitting deep under an indicator. Nothing really rising and nothing really too terribly aggressive for the streamer bite. You know, this is the lowest and clearest I've ever seen Bloody Run. So I'd say it's a pretty big win, getting the fish that we did. You know, I talked to some other anglers and onesie, twosies here and there. I think what we did was pretty darn good. So with that being said, I'm gonna scoot on out of here. Thanks for sticking with, you know, keep your feet in the water, and as always, tight lines.